In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make changes on Shopify, focusing on some key actions like logging in, editing store details, and changing your domain name. Shopify, as most of you may know, is a powerful e-commerce platform that allows entrepreneurs and businesses to create their own online stores. It's user-friendly, but sometimes a step-by-step guide can help streamline the process, especially if you're making changes to critical elements like your store's name or domain. We'll start by accessing Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website. It's important to start from the main page to make sure you're not bypassing any crucial steps. Once you're there, you'll see a login button. Clicking this will take you to the login page, a simple but necessary step to access your store's dashboard and settings. After clicking on e-login, you'll need to enter your store's information. If your store's name is already highlighted, that means Shopify recognizes you, which can speed things up. If not, you'll manually type it in. Next, you'll have the option to continue with your email. This is a straightforward step, but make sure you use the email associated with your Shopify account to avoid any login issues. Selecting Continue with email will prompt you to choose an account, assuming you have multiple accounts or if you're using a shared device. This step ensures that the right user is accessing the account, enhancing security and personalization. Once you're logged in, you'll navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard, a hub for all your store's activities, settings and analytics. Look for the My Store Home button to ensure you're starting from the main dashboard. From here, finding the settings button should be easy. It's generally located at the bottom left of the screen. This is where most of the customization and store setup takes place. In the settings menu, you'll want to click on Edit next to your store details. This is crucial for making sure your store's name and other essential information accurately reflect your brand and what you're selling. It's more than just a cosmetic change. It affects how customers perceive your store. Editing your store name is as simple as clicking into the field, making your changes, and then making sure to save those changes. Remember, consistency and branding across all platforms is key to creating a recognizable and trusted brand. Once you've made your edits, closing the settings or simply navigating away will save your changes automatically in most cases. Now, moving to a slightly more advanced change, updating your domain name. This could be necessary for rebranding, or if you're moving to a more custom domain to enhance your brand's credibility. In the settings menu, you'll find the domain section. Here you can see your current domain and have the option to change to a new Shopify domain. Clicking on Change to a new shopify.com domain will prompt you to enter a new domain name. This name should be unique, reflective of your brand, and ideally easy to remember. Once you type in your new preferred domain, Shopify will check its availability. If it's available, you can proceed to confirm the change. Changing your domain name is a significant step. It's the address customers use to find your store, so changing it should be done with consideration. It affects your branding, your marketing, and how customers find you online. After confirming the change, all that's left is to make sure your branding and marketing materials reflect this new domain. And that's essentially it. A straightforward guide to logging into Shopify, editing crucial store information, and updating your domain name. Each step, while simple, plays a significant role in the setup and branding of your Shopify store. Remember, the goal is to create a seamless shopping experience for your customers, and how you set up and manage your store's details contributes significantly to this experience. Always take the time to review your changes, ensuring everything is exactly how you want it. The beauty of Shopify is its ease of use, allowing you to make these changes without needing to be deeply tech-savvy. Still, paying attention to the details can make all the difference in managing a successful online store. Thank you for following along with this guide. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to make some updates to your existing store, I hope this tutorial has been helpful. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a more polished and professional online presence for your business.